Okay, hello. I made slime, and I used all this glue, Elmer's glue, and then we had to stir that up, and then we put baking soda. We put a tablespoon of baking soda in there, and then you stir it up some more. And then you put some food dye or color in there, and you have to stir that up very well, so you can actually like blend it in. And then you have to put 2 tablespoons of solution of multi-purpose solution and contact solution, and you have to make sure it has boric acid in it, and because it makes it stick together like this, and it makes it come off of your hands and not stick to your hands. And then you have to mix that in, and you might need some more. If it's still sticking to your hands and stuff, you might need to add some more than I say to put in there, but we had to add some more too. So you might have to add some more, and then you mix that up, and you make slime. Wow, it feels so good. Feels good. Yeah, it feels good. And we also watched a video where it said if you want to make puffy slime, woo, slime original. Nah. Okay, so we also, well, I'll tell you in another video. Bye.